ذاك العظيم في علا من أبدع الكون سوى سبحان الله وبحمد الله ولا إله إلا.
Is there any redemption on a person who breaks the itikaf voluntarily?
As far as kafara is concerned or redemption is concerned, since itikaf is voluntary, if you break a voluntary itikaf, there is no compensation. It's preferable if you want, you can again do it. But if a person keeps a compulsory itikaf, if he vows that he's going to keep for 2 days, if he passes the examination, for them if he breaks it, then he has to do it some other time because it's a vow, it's a fard itikaf. As far as voluntary is concerned, it's not compulsory, but even if he breaks the voluntary itikaf, if he does it some other time, it's preferable, but it's not compulsory.
Astaghfirullah.